It is a parrot. It is a bike. It is a fish. It is a monkey. Find the odd one. Is it parrot? Is it bike? Is it fish? Or is it monkey? It is bike. Because bike is a non-living thing. But parrot, fish, and monkey are living things. It is a knife. It is a cake. It is a glass of lemon juice. It is a bowl of salad. Find the odd one. Is it knife? Is it cake? Is it lemon juice? Or is it salad? It is knife. Because a knife is used for cutting and chopping. But cake, lemon juice, and salad are food items. It is a guava. It is a banana. It is a bread. It is an apple. Find the odd one. Is it guava? Is it banana? Is it bread? Or is it apple? It is bread. Bread is the product of baking a mixture of flour, water, salt, yeast, and other ingredients. But guava, banana, and apple are fruits. It is a hat. It is a pant. It is a pair of gloves. It is a panda. Find the odd one. Is it hat? Is it pant? Is it gloves? Or is it panda? It is panda. Because a panda is a living thing. But hat, pant, and gloves are non-living things. These are bay leaves. These are cloves. It is a broccoli. It is a cauliflower. Find the odd one. Is it bay leaf? Is it clove? Is it broccoli? Or is it cauliflower? It is bay leaf. Because the bay leaves are leaves. But cloves, broccoli, and cauliflower are flowers.